In this video, I will show you how to sign up for a Hyperwallet account. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your browser and search for portal.hyperwallet.com/register, and that will take you into the sign up page. So in here, what you'll need to do is to provide your personal details, such as your first name, last name, email, phone number, and company name. After that, you'll need to create your account details for your Hyperwallet portal account. So you need to enter your company name along with the account details of your account that you want to create on Hyperwallet. Check the reCAPTCHA and click on the submit button at the bottom right of your screen. Now open a new tab and open Google Mail on that tab. So in this tab, you'll need to open the Google Mail account that you've used to create your Hyperwallet account. This will redirect you to your Google Mail account, and in here you'll need to scroll down on Hyperwallet's message and click on the Getting Started button. So in this new page, you'll be able to learn all the information that you'll need to learn as a new user on Hyperwallet. And that is how you can simply sign up for Hyperwallet. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.